Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Sennheiser Momentum 3 Bluetooth earbuds. So if we take this out, there is no light, there is no sign of life. These earbuds are completely dead. So the only solution is to replace the battery and check. So in this video I am going to show you how to replace the batteries of this Sennheiser Momentum 3 Bluetooth earbuds. So let me take one of the earbuds and start replacing it. So let me keep this case separately. So in this case we have to take this rubber part here like this, and we have to give heat over here, housing here which is connected, and this top part will come like this. Then we can replace the batteries. Too many flex cables, too many connections. This is high-end model, so be careful before doing this. So if you have any doubt to replace the batteries, then please don't hesitate to message to this above WhatsApp number and send your earbuds here. I am located here in Bangalore. I can replace the batteries behalf of you and send it back to you. So alright, let's start replacing the battery. Now I am going to give some mild heat over here around 100 degrees. After that we can take this part. So let me give the heat and come here. So I have given the heat and slowly it is coming out. You can see like this. Don't pull it, there will be flex cable. We have to open it very carefully. So let me slowly take this out and come here. So you can see slowly we can take this out like this. It will come out. Make sure you are going to take out this cover, not pulling this total set, then you may end up breaking the flex cable here. So you can see how complicated it is. So many cables running here and there. So battery is just inside this. You can see this yellow color. So this is the battery and flex cable is here and there. So let me take this apart and replace the battery. So similarly I am going to replace the battery of the other side offline. I am not going to show in this video. See, it is similar, just I am going to replace this for right side. So alright, so this is the flex cable connector here. Just we have to slowly, I am going to show like this. Very delicately it is connected, so we can slowly lift this to remove the flex cable. You can see the connector is removed. So sometimes if we take this cover, top cover, you may end up pulling this flex cable and you may end up breaking this. So now it is easy, it is just pasted here, you can take out. So as of now not required. So let me take out this glue here, this part. After removing this flex cable, it is just simply glued here. So you can see how it is coming like this. So that's it. Slowly by doing like this we can remove the battery here. Let me come here. So this flex cable I have removed completely, you can see like this. So now there are 2 points here. So this is the battery terminal, this is one terminal, and here it is one more terminal. So alright, we have to desolder it to take the battery out. So this plastic housing is pasted below. So as of now I don't want to take this out. If possible I will simply remove the battery from here and I can just solder it. If it is necessary then I may remove this housing here. So alright, let me desolder these 2 terminals of the battery and come here. So hopefully the battery will come just like this. You can see simply by lifting like this. So the housing positioned in this place. Just I have taken out the board with flex cable and battery. Just I have to remove the battery and just install the new battery which I am going to use here. So alright, let me show you the battery here as well. So you can see I have removed the terminals. So this side it is minus and the other side it is plus. So make sure you are going to install the battery terminals into the proper respective leads here. Otherwise if you replace it you may end up burning the motherboard. So the motherboard will be of no use then if you replace the terminal. So plus should go to plus and negative, minus should go to the minus terminal. So alright, let me show you the battery here which I am going to install here. So this is the battery which I am going to install, which is in my left side. So this is the right battery, right side, the battery which is in the right side, which is bad here. So you can see both size of the battery is same. The thickness of the battery is same and capacity of the battery is also same, and the battery which I am going to install is of first quality. There might be batteries available in second quality, but here in my channel AudioViz 360 we never use second quality batteries here. The battery backup will be as good as new. So alright, so without wasting any time, let me install this battery here. So now I want to show you the voltage difference of this old battery and new battery. So let me set the multimeter to 20 volt DC here, and first I'm going to check the voltage of the old battery here. So I'm going to keep this in the terminal. So you can see there is no voltage, literally 0.01 voltage is there. Minus is there because the polarity is reversed. So this is plus terminal and this is minus, so no problem. I'm just testing here. It's 0 volt. So the new battery which I am going to use is, you can see the voltage. So you can see the voltage is 3.81 in the new battery. So alright, this will go up to 4.2 and above. So alright, let me install this new battery into this motherboard and I will show you in close up. So you can see I have installed the battery here. So minus has gone to minus terminal and the red one, positive of the battery, has gone to the positive terminal like this. So now it's time to simply position it in the housing, and it's time to install the earbuds in the housing. That's it. So now you can see simply I have kept above the housing and just simply pushed it. So that's it. Now I have to simply keep like this. So now you can see I have kept the flux cable here. Simply I'm going to press it. So that's it. This is locked. Flux cable is also connected. Just I have to place it in this housing. That's it. So let me place it properly. So it has been positioned perfectly and the fitting is 100% perfect. Now simply I am going to test this earbud before closing the top housing here. So just I am going to insert it in this case, charging case. So I will close it for a few seconds. Then let me take out. If we take out at that other side, red light should glow. If it is glowing, then this earbud battery replacement is successful. So alright, now it's time to open the case. Moment of truth. It is difficult to take out, so I am taking like this. So yes, you can see. So the red light is glowing here, in the sense blinking. So that means battery replacement is successful. So if you have earbuds like this, Sennheiser, Bose or any brand, JBL, Sony, Samsung or anything, Bose as well. So if you want me to replace the batteries of this type of earbuds, expensive high-end earbuds, don't take it easy. You can send it to me here. I can replace it behalf of you. I am located here in Bangalore. So you can do courier from any part of India so that it can reach here. If you are from remote villages, then also no problem. You can send it through speed post courier from nearby post office. It will reach here to Bangalore. Just by doing message here, you can take my shipping details and you can ship it here. After replacing, I will ship it back to your address. So alright, let me continue. Now I am going to simply apply the glue here. Let me clean this old glue here, and after that I will apply fresh glue. Then I will close it here. So similarly I have to replace the battery of this other side. So this is the left side. So let me replace this and come here so that I can show you the working functionality of this earbud as well. So I have used this B8000 glue. Even T7000 is also fine. So I have applied the glue to this housing here so that I can show you the closing of this case here, housing. So it's very simple. Simply we have to position it. That's it. You can see. So excess glue I am going to clean it using isopropyl alcohol. So the finishing will be as good as when you bought it from showroom. So no damages will be there. There will be no sign of marks after replacing the battery. That is the beauty of this channel Audio is 360 from Bangalore. So alright, let me clean this using isopropyl alcohol and I will put this top cover here as well, and I will show you the work here, the neatness of the work. Alright, so alright, I have pasted it completely and you can see the work here. I am showing you in close up particularly just to see the finishing. It will be very clean. There will be no marks of battery replacement. So alright, you can see even the light is blinking, started working. So alright, let me keep this in charging and I will replace the battery of this side bud and come here immediately to show you the working functionality of these both earbuds. So alright, both earbuds battery has been replaced and the light has come. Now let's see the moment of truth, whether it is pairing or not, because it was completely dead. So you can see both lights are glowing here. It should start blinking blue light, then we can, Bluetooth page here in the smart device. So alright, let's wait until the blue light comes here. So alright, this has entered in pairing mode here. So let me search it in my Bluetooth page in this smart device. So alright, you can see Momentum TW3 has come here. So allow access to contacts and call history. I'm just clicking the pair button. So finally you can see it is connected and the battery percentage is 70 as of now, because this is new battery. That much only battery current is stored in new batteries, so it has to be kept in charging so that it will become 100%. So this is the working functionality. You can see now blue light is just simply blinking, that means it has connected. So you can see the blue light is glowing here. So all right, that's it. This is the working functionality. I'm just going to keep it in the case for charging. So alright, if you have earbuds like this, please don't hesitate to message to this number. I am located here in Bangalore. I can replace batteries behalf of you. You can courier it to my address. I can fix it and I can ship it back to your address. So it's time to conclude the video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you have any queries, I have uploaded so many videos in the channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.